Welcome to Because. In this video, we're going to talk about the data that's required for importing your certification into the Because platform. There are several data points that you need for a successful data import. We recommend that you download our sample spreadsheet and use this as your template for future data imports. You can find this by going to Import in your sidebar and selecting Import Establishment Data. First, you need to select the certification that you're uploading. Then, you need to select the group which this certification will be added to, and then you can download the sample file. This is what your sample file will look like, and in row 2, you'll see a sample company showing you what this data should look like. Please delete this row before you make a data import, otherwise your import will fail. The sample file contains several columns, but the mandatory information you need to provide includes company name. This is the name of the hotel or the property that you have certified. Your ID. This is your reference for that property. If you do not have an ID, you can leave this empty. The full website URL of the property you have certified. The latitude and longitude coordinates of the property that you have certified. Please note that this needs to be decimal coordinates. We also require the street address, zip code, city, and country of the property that you have certified. We also require the validation state. If you are only importing certified properties, this should always show as valid. The certification issue date and the certification expiration date. Please note that the format of the date should be year, month, day, separated by hyphens. You can also add information to the other columns, but these are not mandatory, so you don't have to add them if you don't have that information. Keep in mind that the more precise your data columns are, the more precise the mapping of your data will be, and the easier it will be for OTAs and marketplaces to match your certification with the hotel property on their websites. Here's a file I made earlier that gives you an indication of what this should look like. Now we have a file with all the correct data points. You can follow on to the next guide, Importing Your File, to see how to upload this to the Because platform.